The front of the train.
Woo! I do not know how.
That's funny. You're about to go on a transfer.
Oh no, I love it. And then we do this sideways over here.
It's like, oh, you thought.
Nope, you thought wrong. And then you get over here and you think it's gonna take a minute for it to lock into place. Lock, and you launch back.
Gone.
And you're gone. There's no wait. I love this. Backwards! Forward! Woo! Ahoo! And roll back! Woo! SeaWorld Orlando, break the ice.
Oh my God, the front row.
Oh.
I wasn't expecting much from the front row.
I know, exactly. You're not expecting much from the front row. You don't think you're going to get all that airtime that you do in the front row because you think the back row is that, and you still get whipped, you still get thrown up front. It is so much fun. Don't sleep on it. Front row